Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV15 is making a dodgy noise, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates that the motor may be failing or there could be debris obstructing its function. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage and a complete breakdown of your vacuum cleaner, resulting in costly repairs. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV15, a pair of tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to components. To begin, ensure your device is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Start by removing the screws from the main body of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using a plastic spudger, being careful not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the motor. It's usually situated near the bottom of the unit. You'll recognize it by its circular shape and the wiring connected to it. Carefully disconnect the wires by pulling on the connectors, not the wires themselves, to avoid any damage. Now, using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Remember to apply gentle pressure and ensure you don't strip the screws. Once the screws are out, you can lift the motor out of the housing. Take your replacement motor and position it in the same way as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed and reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully place the casing back onto the vacuum, ensuring all clips are aligned, and replace the screws to secure it. Finally, give your Dyson SV15 a test run to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you hear any unusual sounds, double-check all connections and components. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your vacuum and check for any blockages in the hose or filters. Additionally, consider replacing worn-out parts promptly to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.